In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your address on the eBay app, whether you're a buyer or a seller. This process can seem a bit daunting, especially if you're not sure where to start, but I'm here to make it straightforward and simple. First, it's crucial to check if your order has been shipped yet. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once you're in, head over to My eBay and select Purchase History. Browse through your list of purchases to find the specific order you're concerned about. It's important to take note of the order status here. If it displays awaiting shipment, there's still a chance for you to update the address. However, if it indicates shipped, it means the seller has already sent out the package. Now, if your order is still on the awaiting shipment status, time is of the essence. You'll need to contact the seller directly via the order details page. It's best to be polite and clear in your message, explaining that you need the item sent to a different address. Depending on the seller, they might assist in updating the shipping label before dispatching the package. Alternatively, they may suggest that you cancel the order and repurchase it using the correct address. On the other hand, if your order has been shipped, changing the address directly through eBay is no longer an option. But don't worry, you do have a few other choices. One option is to track your package's journey and attempt to redirect it through the carrier involved, such as UPS, FedEx, USPS, or DHL. Contacting the carrier directly is a feasible step to request a delivery intercept, although be aware this service might incur a fee. Lastly, if the package delivery is unsuccessful, it may get returned to the seller. This scenario would allow for the item to potentially be resent to the correct address once arrangements are made. Furthermore, to prevent future inconveniences, it's wise to update your default address, navigate to My eBay, then proceed to Account and choose Personal Information. Here, you will find a section called Addresses. Click on Edit, and this will allow you to update your primary shipping address. Ensuring that your correct address is set up for future purchases will save you a lot of time and stress. And that's it! Changing your address on eBay requires prompt actions, especially if your order hasn't shipped. Remember to keep your information up to date to ensure a smooth shopping experience. Feel free to pause the video or go back to any sections if you need to re-listen to the instructions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your shipping details effortlessly on eBay.